I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a PayPal account. First, navigate to the official PayPal website or download the mobile application from your device's app store. Ensure you have a valid email address, a working phone number, and either a bank account or a debit or credit card ready. These are essential for a smooth setup process. PayPal is a widely used online payment system, allowing you to send and receive money securely and conveniently across the globe. Let's get started with the initial steps. Once on the PayPal platform, locate and click the Sign Up button. You'll then choose between a personal account for everyday use or a business account if you're selling goods or services. Proceed to enter your personal details, including your full name, address, and create a secure password. After submitting, PayPal will send a verification link to your email and a code to your phone number. Confirming these ensures the security of your new account. With your basic account established, the next crucial step is linking your financial instruments. To link a bank account, you'll typically provide your bank details, and PayPal will send 2 small micro deposits, usually less than $1, which you'll confirm. For cards, simply enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. This secure connection allows you to fund payments and withdraw money, making your PayPal account fully functional for all transactions. Congratulations! Your PayPal account is now fully set up and ready for use. You can effortlessly send money to friends and family, pay for online purchases at millions of retailers, and receive payments from others. Keep track of all your transactions and manage your account settings directly from your dashboard. Explore additional features like invoicing, requesting money, or even setting up donations. Enjoy the convenience and security of your new digital wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.